Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence really is? Let's dive into it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an intriguing branch of computer science. Its primary goal? To construct systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Imagine a machine that can learn like a child, reason like a detective, solve problems like a seasoned strategist, perceive its surroundings like an artist, and understand language like a linguist. That's the marvel of AI. Now you might be thinking, that sounds like a lot. And you're right. AI is a vast field with a multitude of subdisciplines and applications. It's a bit like an onion, complex, layered, and occasionally, it might even make you cry, but don't worry, we're here to peel back those layers together. Understanding AI is like peeling an onion, layer by layer, so brace yourself for a fascinating journey into the world of AI. AI is not a new kid on the block. It has a rich history dating back to the mid-20th century. The seeds of AI were sown in the 1950s with pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laying the groundwork. Turing proposed the question, can machines think, which ignited the spark that would become AI. Throughout the 1960s and 70s, AI research flourished, with the development of the first computer programs capable of mimicking human intelligence, albeit in a rudimentary form. The term artificial intelligence was coined during this era, and it became the new frontier of computer science. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. The 1980s and 90s brought about what's known as the AI winter, a period of reduced funding and interest in AI research. However, the flame of AI was kept alive by the persistent researchers who believed in its potential. The 21st century ushered in a resurgence of AI, thanks to advancements in computational power and the rise of big data. This era saw the development of machine learning, where computers could learn from data without being explicitly programmed. The concept of neural networks also came into the spotlight, imitating the human brain's own network of neurons to process information. Today, AI is an integral part of our daily lives, powering everything from our smartphones to self-driving cars. So, while AI might seem like a recent phenomenon, it's been gradually developing and evolving for over half a century. Did you know that not all AI is created equal? There are actually different types of AI. Let's start with the most common type, narrow or weak AI. This form of AI is designed to perform a specific task, like voice recognition or recommending songs on your favorite music app. Take Siri or Alexa, for instance. They're a type of narrow AI. They can answer your questions, set reminders, and even tell you jokes, but that's about it. They only do what they've been programmed to do, and they can't understand or learn anything that's outside of their programming. Moving on, we have general or strong AI. This is where things start to get a bit more sci-fi. General AI isn't just designed to do one task. Instead, it can understand, learn, and apply its knowledge to a wide range of tasks, just like a human being. It's the kind of AI you see in movies like Her or Ex Machina. While we don't have any fully functioning general AI yet, a lot of research is being done in this area, and we might see it come to life sooner than we think. Now let's talk about the big one, the super-intelligent AI. This type of AI, though still theoretical at this point, would surpass human intelligence and could potentially outperform humans at nearly every economically valuable work. It's the type of AI that could solve complex problems, invent groundbreaking technologies, and create strategies that we can't even comprehend. However, it also raises ethical and safety concerns, as it could potentially become uncontrollable. So there you have it, the three types of AI, each with its own capabilities and limitations. From the narrow AI that powers your digital assistants, to the general AI that's still in the realm of research, and the super-intelligent AI that could either usher in a new era of prosperity or pose a significant threat to humanity. So from Siri to self-driving cars, different types of AI are working behind the scenes in ways you might not even realize. Now that we know what AI is, let's delve into how it works. At the heart of AI are two major concepts: machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning is essentially the brain of an AI system. It's a type of AI that allows a computer to learn without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to identify a cat. You don't explain the specific details like the shape of the ears, the size of the body, or the texture of the fur. Instead, you show them several pictures of cats. Over time, they learn to recognize cats, even ones they've never seen before. This is how machine learning works. We feed computers large amounts of data, and using algorithms, they learn to identify patterns and make decisions. These algorithms can be as simple as linear regression, or as complex as deep learning models, depending on the task at hand. This brings us to the second concept: Neural networks. These are computing systems loosely inspired by the human brain. They consist of interconnected layers of nodes or neurons, each processing a small piece of information. When we feed data into the network, it passes through these layers, getting processed and transformed along the way. By adjusting the strengths of these connections, a neural network can learn to recognize patterns and make decisions. Now, you might be wondering, where does all this data come from? Well, every time you use a search engine, make an online purchase, or even just browse the internet, you generate data. This data is then used to train AI systems. The more data an AI system has, the better it can learn and adapt. But it's not just about quantity. The quality of data is equally important. If the data is biased, incomplete, or irrelevant, the AI system will make inaccurate predictions and decisions. This is why data cleaning and pre-processing is a crucial step in building AI systems. So, what role does data play in AI? It's like the fuel that powers the engine. Without data, AI systems can't learn, adapt, or make decisions. But with the right data, they can solve complex problems, make accurate predictions, and even outperform humans in certain tasks. In essence, AI learns much like we do, through experience, trial and error, and lots of practice. But unlike us, AI has the capacity to process and learn from vast amounts of data at an incredible speed. And that's what makes it such a powerful tool. AI isn't just about robots and sci-fi movies, it has real-world applications that touch our lives every day. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, often in ways we may not even realize. Let's look at a few examples. Digital assistants like Amazon's Alexa, Google's Assistant, or Apple's Siri have become household names. These AI-powered helpers can answer our questions, play our favorite tunes, and even control our smart homes. They learn from our habits, preferences, and routines, becoming more efficient and personalized over time. Online customer support has also seen a transformation thanks to AI. Ever interacted with a chatbot while browsing a website? That's AI at work. These chatbots are programmed to understand and respond to customer queries, providing immediate assistance 24/7. They can handle multiple inquiries at once, increasing efficiency and customer satisfaction. Social media platforms too harness the power of AI. Algorithms analyze our likes, shares, and comments to tailor our feeds. They predict what content we'll enjoy and who we might want to connect with. It's why your feed is different from your friends. AI is the invisible hand curating your digital experiences. In healthcare, AI is making strides in diagnostics. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data in seconds, spotting patterns and anomalies that could indicate disease. This technology is helping in early detection of conditions like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes, potentially saving lives. Artificial intelligence isn't confined to these examples. It's in our cars, helping us navigate and park. It's in our phones, optimizing battery life and data usage. It's in our banks, detecting fraudulent transactions. It's even in our farming, helping to predict crop yields and optimize irrigation. So while artificial intelligence may seem like a concept straight out of science fiction, it's much closer to home than we think. It's shaping our world, often behind the scenes, in ways we may not always see or understand. From our smartphones to our healthcare, AI is quietly revolutionizing the world around us. So, is AI a friend or foe? The answer isn't black and white. Like any powerful tool, artificial intelligence harbors both tremendous potential benefits and formidable challenges. On the bright side, AI offers the promise of skyrocketing productivity and efficiency, opening avenues for innovation and progress we can hardly fathom today. Yet, this same force also stirs concerns about job displacement as machines become capable of performing tasks traditionally undertaken by humans. Moreover, the ethical considerations surrounding AI are profound. How do we ensure fairness and transparency in AI algorithms? How do we manage privacy and security in an AI-driven world? As we grapple with these questions, it's clear that our relationship with AI will be a delicate dance of risk and reward. It's a dance we must learn to lead, for the stakes are high and the music has already begun. As we continue to peel back the layers of the AI onion, one thing is certain: AI is here to stay, and how we navigate its potential will shape our future.